Pagi ini kita akan jalan-jalan di Cambridge. Udah mau naik panting tour, naik ini nih, menyusuri sungai-sungai di Cambridge. Dingin nih, -5 sekarang. Matahari terbit tapi sekarang ini udah jam. Nah, kita lihat sekarang ini jam 11:30, tapi dingin. Kita mau naik ini buat, nah, ya inspirasi nih buat di Jakarta nih nanti seperti kayak begini. Ya, ntar jadwal kita jam 12, turnya di sini apa namanya, senang. Nih, nama bunga nih, bunga. Awas, ini yang ngambil videonya Kak Adi. Itu Kak Indah sini Kak Indah. Kak Indah. Foto, ya, oke. Yes. Mau foto?
Mama bilang foto.
Okay. Ya, pakai kamera ini. Kamu. Nah, sekarang saya bukan sendirian, sama bunga. Pindah. Juga sama mama. Dingin ya? Ini Kak Adi. Terus Kak Bintang gak ikut. Kak Bintang masih ada di Newcastle ya. Kita mau lagi nunggu. Oke. Kita mau jalan sebentar lagi. Dikasih ginian nih yang anget-anget. Enak. Berapa menit nih?
45 menit.
Hah?
45.
Wih, lama juga ya. Kita sekarang sedang menikmati suasana yang sangat pengalaman khusus.
We're going to see 8 colleges in total today.
Oh, okay.
So it's about 1 mile down the river, and we'll spin around and head back. So we'll finish back.
Yeah.
Even though in Cambridge there are actually 31 colleges. So the rest of them are just scattered around the city, and they own about 90% of the city as well. So. And there's about 200 boats on the river at one time, so lots of bumps and crashes as you go along.
But in winter is little bit good, better.
Yeah.
What's the name of the river?
The Cam, C-A-M, the River Cam. So it's where the city gets its name from. So the first ever bridge was built behind us, about 5 minutes behind us. And it gets its name from the bridge over the River Cam, or Cam Bridge, Cambridge. Yeah, so that's where it comes from.
Cam and bridge.
Yes, exactly.
You're right. Oke, nah asal Cambridge di sini di Cam. Ini Sungai Cam namanya. Oh,
So this college we're coming through now, this is called St. John's College.
Oh, St. John's.
So this dates back till 1511.
Jadi nama Cambridge itu asalnya dari sungai ini, namanya Sungai Cam. Bridge itu kan jembatan, jadi Cambridge. Nah, gitu. I translate in Indonesian language.
Yeah, fantastic. I'll give you some time then, so you can translate what I say.
Yeah. Do you have snow here?
Snow?
Snow.
Yeah. So in So this bridge that we're coming under is called the Bridge of Sighs. So it's actually named after the Bridge of Sighs in Venice. It was originally called the New Bridge. However, Queen Victoria, she came to Cambridge, thought it looked very similar to the Bridge of Sighs in Venice, and the name caught on because of that. Yeah. So that belongs to St. John's, and that's actually student accommodation, which is, yeah, very, very impressive. It is like a palace, like a castle, yeah. The building is nicknamed the wedding cake because it has lots of tiers or layers like a cake, and it's also almost perfectly symmetrical from the front. Saw the swan at the top of the steps on there, yeah.
I saw the swans flying also.
Yeah, yes, flew right over the bridge onto the road, yeah. So this is the richest college in Cambridge.
Oh.
The wealthiest, yeah, so it's worth over £2 billion. Yes, yeah.
Private or public?
Public, so all of the colleges are all public. Up the Church of England, lots of Catholic monasteries had been shut down. He had basically stolen the income, the money, the land that had belonged to them, and then used it to fund his own institution, being Trinity College. So lots of that money, lots of that wealth is because of King Henry VIII, founder.
Iya.
Bisa.
Bisa fotoin dong. Ntar kalau udah dekat.
Menikmati suasana yang sangat indah. Okay.
Their own libraries, however they're usually much smaller. So this university library, which is shared amongst all of the students, holds a lot more books for those students to use.
Ntar pas deket jembatan ya.
Biar nggak backlight.
Ntar kita di situ lagi berhentinya.
This is the most iconic site in Cambridge, the King's College Chapel.
Oh.
It's technically the largest chapel in the world. It's ever so slightly bigger than the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City. So King's College was founded in 1441 by King Henry VI, and he was only 18 years old when he founded the college.
18?
Yes, however he was much younger when he was crowned King of England. Do you know how young he was?
No.
Any guesses? 12? No, he was actually 9.
Oh.
9 months old.
9 months?
9 months
Yes.
old. Deketan. 1, 2. Kopi. Bentar, tahan. Tahan.
Ada swan.
Lucu. Langsung aku dibatok.
Hello, swan. I read in the book then.
It's by Sir Isaac Newton.
Wow.
And that was without any nuts and bolts.
This building.
This bridge here, yes. So it would stand up just by the way each piece of wood would interlock with the next. However, a group of students came along a couple years later. They wanted to rebuild the bridge to see how Newton had done it. So they took it apart, however couldn't put it back together again. It then had to be rebuilt with nuts and bolts like you see here
Before
today.
start,
No bolts.
Wow.
It gets its name because of the way it's built. So all of the pieces of wood are straight and they're all a tangent off a circle. So if you continued the same design of the bridge, it would make a giant perfect circle.
Oh, kesana saya jadi kawan.
I will video you, eh?
Aku tahu.
2, 3.
Subscribe Bandai channel.
Jangan lupa Bang Dai Channel.